Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the hairstyle that I'm going to have at the end of this video. But during the video, I forgot to show you guys, but this is the gel I was using. But let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back. This is my hair tutorial. This was requested, but I'm just doing a simple hair tutorial. It's just going to be of the kind of buns that I usually wear. So right now you can see me brushing my hair. I have to brush my hair a lot because it's really thick, and I have to get all the lumps out and everything. So here you can see me brushing my hair. At the beginning of the video you saw what kind of gel I use because I forgot to show you guys through this video, and my hair's already done, so I can't start over. So I have to use headbands for my hair because my hair is way too big and it'll break regular hair ties. But yep, you can see me right here just applying more gel and still brushing my hair. At this point you can see my arms are literally killing me and I keep taking breaks, but that's what happens when you have hair like mine. I had to brush my hair like 1,000 times, and so I keep on taking breaks in between and stretching my arms. So don't mind, Carter started actually moving the camera and started like getting in the way, but don't mind that. She's a baby, so she doesn't even know what's happening. But yep, just keep watching. I know you guys don't want to keep hearing me talking, but right here you can see me using a toothbrush. I don't use an edges brush. I just feel like a toothbrush is better for me. But I'm using a toothbrush, and I actually use it to get like all the little fuzzy pieces of hair like in the front and back when I don't want to use my brush to mess up the rest of the bun. And now I'm just doing my edges. Okay, this is the end result, and this is how my hair looks. Make sure you subscribe and like this video.